Hey everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I am sharing my ultimate Halloween spooky horror themed mantle decor. So this fireplace mantle is in what should be our formal dining room, but is actually my boyfriend's home office space, and he is into everything horror themed. Here is a look at some of the goodies I had collected. So some of the stuff that I'm using is going to be new, and then some of it is things that I already previously had or had made. Most of this came from Michael's and was all 40% off when I bought it, and anything I didn't end up using, I just returned. So starting with a blank space, I knew in the center I wanted to use some of Sam's Halloween themed artwork, and he has this amazing collection of masks. Then I basically just started the process of filling in the mantle with different decor pieces and accents. I started with a leaf garland. And I ended up using this creepy cloth from the Dollar Tree. I only had bought one, so I ended up later going back and buying a second one. And then on top of the red maple leaves, I layered in some different black colored garlands for added texture. This little stick one was probably my favorite. It had 3 sections on one, so I ended up just cutting them and had 3 separate pieces to work with. So I had these candy corn picks that I had picked up from Michael's, and I really wanted to use them in here. So I was trying to figure out how to incorporate them in, but I ended up not liking them and removed them later because I just feel like they didn't fit. And then I have a couple sets of these flameless candles that have the faux drippy wax on them from Amazon. These look so cool. And then I played with adding in a few more decorative elements. Like I said, I didn't end up being a fan of the candy corn picks. I thought they looked a little too childish and hokey. Same with the jack-o'-lantern banner. I wasn't really feeling it. Of course, ended up moving things and changing my mind multiple times as per usual. I went back in and added a second creepy cloth after I bought another one. So I ended up switching the pictures around and using the hook that was on the wall because it was driving me nuts, but I actually ended up liking it better hanging on the hook. And then I decided to add in a few of these tiny pumpkins. I think these are from Target a few years ago. I decided I wanted to make my own banner. Here's my file layout just so you see the letters, and I printed this out on my Cricut, but of course you could definitely use a X-Acto knife and cut it out by hand. This specific black lettered banner kind of ended up being my guinea pig. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, and I changed up a few things. So now, as you can see, the one that I am hanging is orange and is a little bit different. I decided to go back and do it orange because the black was not popping. I against the creepy cloth. All right, and now I'm gonna move on and decorate the bottom part of the fireplace. And the little pumpkin statue guy is a candy dish, so of course I had to go pick up some more Halloween candy and fill his head up. Alright, and now for the final reveal. I'm going to set the tone and show you guys all the tiny details of this Halloween mantel decor. I'm absolutely in love with how this turned out. I know it is super over the top, it is super extra, but that is exactly what I was going for. I wanted this to literally be a representation of Halloween and just emit all of those feelings and all those vibes. So I think it does precisely that. Sam, I hope you appreciate your beautifully spooky mantle. And then of course I had to show you guys what it looks like in the dark with all the lights turned off. I have tons more Halloween decor videos already up on my channel and more to come, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you or made you excited for Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.